Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Real Talk Bougie. Guys, real quick, there was a court appearance today by Jarvis Butts. He was in the 36th district for a virtual hearing regarding the latest charges with the 8-year-old that was mentioned in the case that dropped about a week or so ago. Kim Worthy, who is the district attorney, put out a press release basically talking about the latest charges for Jarvis Butts and what was on the forefront for him in terms of additional charges because the charges just keep coming. So we know prosecutor Kim Worthy has charged Jarvis Butts, 42, of Detroit in connection with the sexual assault on a 8-year-old female relative. That's what he's in court for now. Between June 2021 and June 2022 at the auto repair shop in the 1700 block of East Warren in Detroit, it is alleged that Butts assaulted a 8-year-old victim. More complete facts and evidence will be placed on the record at the preliminary examination. Jarvis Butts has been charged with first-degree criminal sexual contact, second-degree criminal sexual conduct. He was arraigned and remanded in the 36th District Magistrate. The probable cause hearing will be held October 8th, which is what? Today at 8:30 a.m. and the preliminary exam is scheduled for the 15th. What we now know, though, that it is no longer going to be scheduled on the 15th. It was scheduled the 15th, but it was changed from the 15th now to October 22nd. What's the reason behind that? I don't really know, but we're going to take a look at the Register of Actions in just a second. But what you'll see on the Register of Actions is that today, October 8th, that there was a virtual hearing with Judge Jakes or Jacques. And it is scheduled now for October 22nd at 1:30 p.m. The bond is continued, which the bond is basically a remand. He's not eligible for bond. He's also doing a sentence. He's not getting out. But there was a virtual hearing held. He is still remanded into custody. There is an in-person hearing scheduled for the future, which is going to be the one that is on the 22nd. They are continuing with the no contact with the victim directly or indirectly. So he's not to be calling anybody. I would imagine the weird thing to me is that what has been alleged is that the 8-year-old victim is one of his children. And this is not the only one of his children that he's facing a charge for. So the odd thing is that if he's in contact with any of his children's mothers, how is he able to do that? Because if he's checking on his other kids, or is he just not allowed to reach out to any of these women at all anymore? Which I don't know if that's only the jailers would know if that's happening or not. We know that there is an older child of his that he has that has allegations against him. So just quite a very messy situation that this man is finding himself in with these egregious charges. But in any case, Jarvis was in court today. It was a virtual hearing. He's scheduled for in-person hearing on October 22nd to discuss this latest case. But keep in mind, he has 17 other charges, or maybe 16 or 17 other charges. He's got a host of other cases. And this man is going to be in court for quite a while. I mean, just it's a lot. But the victims seem to keep coming and the charges keep coming as well. He is not due back into court again until October 22nd. I don't see anything else on the docket for him until he goes back in February. And that is to face the charges relating to Naziah Harris, amongst others. So I don't know if this latest case is going to be kept separate or they're going to merge all of these cases together, or if they feel like this is a completely separate case, maybe just to want to make sure that they have their ducks in a row in case they need to keep it as a separate case. Just, I don't know if it'll be merged or not. You guys comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are they going to merge this case after it's bound over? If it gets bound over, which I'm assuming it will, do you think they're going to merge it? Or do you think they're going to keep it separate? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel. If you want to continue to get updates regarding Jarvis Butts or any of the other cases that we cover here on this channel, make sure your notifications are set so that when I go live, post a video, you will be notified immediately. Take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.